If you have been living in the US with a green card and thinking, alright, when do I finally become a US citizen? You are in the right place. Today, we are walking through the naturalization process step by step, the updated rules, paperwork, interview, test, and what really happens at the oath ceremony. And since immigration rules change every year, this guide includes the latest 2025 USCIS updates, so you are not using outdated info. Eligibility requirements. To apply for US citizenship, you need to meet a few key requirements. Number 1. Age requirement. You must be at least 18-year-old. Number 2. Green card residency requirement. This depends on your situation. 5 years of permanent residency. 3 years if you are married to and living with a US citizen. Number 3. Continuous residence and physical presence. Point A. At least 5 years of residence in the US. Point B. At least 30 months of physically present in the US. Point C. Avoid trips of 6 months or more unless you can prove you didn't abandon your residence. Number 4. State residency rule. You must live in the same state or USCIS district for at least 3 months before applying. Number 5. Good moral character. USCIS now uses a holistic review to determine good moral character. That means they look at your overall behavior, not just mistakes. Paying taxes, following laws, and showing honesty all counts. The first step is filing Form N400 in 2025. The easiest way is online through your USCIS account. Why file online? Number 1. Faster processing. Number 2. Real-life case updates. Number 3. Direct document uploads. Number 4. Less paperwork lost in transit. You will need to upload green card, marriage certificate, tax transcripts, divorce decrees, travel history, selective service proof. Filing fee update. Under the April 2024 USCIS fee rule, the N400 fee increased to $760 online or $825 paper. Double check the latest amount before submitting. Next, USCIS schedules your biometrics appointment for fingerprints, a photo, and a signature. Once your background check clears, you will be called for an interview at your local USCIS office. The officer will review your Form N400 answers, ask about your travel, work, and family history, go over your taxes and marital details. You will take 2 short tests during the same appointment. Number 1. English test. You must read 1 sentence, write 1 sentence, have a short conversation in English. Number 2. Civics test. Starting October 20th, 2025, USCIS will administer the 2025 Naturalization Civics Test to applicants who file Form N400 on or after the date. It's an oral test with 20 questions chosen from the list of 128 questions. You must answer 12 correctly to pass. The officer will stop you once you get 12 answers right or 9 answers wrong. If you applied before October 20th, 2025, you will still take the 2008 Civic Test. 10 questions, 6 correct to pass. Accommodations like the 50-20 or 55-15 rules still apply for older applicants or those with qualifying conditions. After the interview, you will get one of 3 results. Number 1. Approved. Number 2. Continued. More documents or a retest needed. Number 3. Denied. Once approved, you will receive an oath ceremony notice with your date, time, and location. At the ceremony, you will return your green card, answer a few final questions, take the oath of allegiance. Right after the ceremony, you will receive your certificate of naturalization, your official proof of citizenship. Keep it safe. You will need it for applying for a US passport, updating your social security records, or sponsoring family members. But if you're still stuck on H-1B, don't stay there for long. Our smart immigrant clients turned things around. They built solid EB Money profiles with our help and got approved. Want to be next? Check out the VIP plan link in the description. And that's it. From green card to US citizenship, step by step. If this guide helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with anyone planning to apply soon. Good luck and congratulations in advance on becoming a US citizen.